Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have come onto this channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already subscribed and are already following me, thank you so much and welcome back. Now, I thought I'd shoot across this quick video in response to some of the questions that I was getting off the back of my last video. Another question that I was getting asked about affiliate marketing is, how do you promote the goods and services? So like I said before, so what will happen is that when you join an affiliate program, you will basically be given an affiliate link. Okay, and that affiliate link will basically point to the business's website, an item, product or a service. Now these affiliate links, what you can do is use various different methods to help put that in front of a customer, and that is where the challenge is. So one way of doing that would be to use YouTube. Now, if you've noticed, if you look down in my description below, you'll see a whole load of other links, and various different YouTubers use this same method where they will promote a service that they might be using. Like for example, I use a particular service to build my website known as Wix, and I am part of their affiliate program, so I will put down the link in my description below. So if you click that, not only will you be using a great service that I believe in, but you'll also be able to help me gain a little commission, which would be always welcome. So that is one way of promoting your affiliate links. Now there are other ways that you can do that, and if you look at my other videos, and I'll post the links down in the description below, it will go through some ways of which you can help promote your affiliate links. And I think what I'll do is that I'll shoot another video, maybe off the back of this one, to go over some of the methods and some of the strategies that you can use to help put your affiliate links out in front of customers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that here. If you did like this video and you found it useful, please do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to keep up to date with all of my videos that I put out there, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications button, so that every time I put that video out, you will know first and foremost when that happens. So guys, listen, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you continue having a great day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, bless.